Hello mga ka-Gym TV. So ayan guys, may tanggap tayo na Redmi 9 MediaTek guys yung chipset. Ayan yung model nya. So Redmi 9 yan guys, FRP. Ayun as you can see, nakalimutan ni customer yung Google account nya. So yan ang i-remove natin guys, para mapalabas natin yung menu. Ayan, nakalock na siya dyan So i-remove natin yan guys gamit ang unlock tool. Ayan, okay na, na-remove na. So hintayin na lang natin mag-boot up. And ayun, boom. Pinas forward ko lang guys para mabilis. Oops. So ayan guys, lumabas na ang menu, na-unlock na. So naalis na yung Google account niya, o yung tinatawag nating FRP, Factory Reset Protection. Redmi 9. So na-unlock to guys using unlock tool software. Ayan guys yung log. Whoop. Redmi 9. So ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Babu.